beautiful, elegant, sophisticated. The amount of style you can do with your own natural hair, it's really endless. I am so grateful to get to this length where I can do so much. Do not get discouraged. Do not give up on your hair. Your hair is gonna grow. Your hair is gonna get to your desired length. This is amazing at this season. I love the length, I love the volume, I love the amount of healthiness that happening here, and the fact that like this is a blown out hair and I can actually do a lot with it. This is amazing. I am so excited. I don't think I have enjoyed my hair before the way I'm enjoying it now, and it's all thanks to you all, my viewers. Thank you to YouTube for giving me a platform to be able to do that. I'm so excited. Like I don't know, to me, you guys let me know what you think, but to me this is like an amazing look. Like you can't beat that up. Alright, thank you guys, thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful. It's something you can do very quick and easy for your festivity that you're going through this holiday season. I will see you on my next video. Bye.